Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Elvira Risa Hidayat. Now I will presentation about diagram sequence and the implementation. First of all, my name is Elvira Risa Hidayat and my student number is 2033 32 0 and 17. Now we will talk about what is a sequence diagram. A sequence diagram is a type of interaction diagram in UML. It shows how the object interact in a particular scenario of use case. Messages are a exchange between objects over time, show top-down, it focuses on the order of message, the flow of control, and the timing. Useful for modeling real-time system and object collaboration. Now, what is the difference about sequence diagram and activity diagram? Sequence diagram shows about object interaction beside on-time sequence, and the activity diagram focus on workflow or step-by-step activity. And then sequence diagram emphasize which object communicates with whom, and the activity diagram shows the logic of execute regardless of timing. Both are complementarity activity for a view, sequence for the detail. Now the implementation about sequence diagram to web beside midwife ferry document management system at Dukuh Global Public Health Center. And this the first diagram of the sequence talk about initial patient data validation. The diagram have the actor is patient and the midwife. The patient input the data login form and the login form calls check data function with the patient info. And then the system validates using medical record storage module, and the conditional if valid user receives success login message, and if the data in file, the system prompted to re-enter the data. And then the examination request midwife login, the midwife log in use username and the password they have, and system performs step-by-step validation. Upon success, login into confirmation message appears, and the midwife submits an examination request, and the system save and schedule the request. The system returns confirmation and the schedule to user. And then the accessing examination form after login. Login credentials are validated, invalid login, prompt to try again, and the valid login access treated to examination form. And then the system open the form and retrieves patient data. And the patient data is searched, retrieved, and checked. The vital signs are recorded to the medical system. And then the data validation and the storage. Midwife input patient data to check completeness. System review the provide data, and then the condition if have incompleted data, error message and request for correction, and if complete data, the system saved to the database, and then the additional form completed by the midwife and process end with user lookup. And then that's for me this report implies the importance of sequence diagram in modeling the dynamic interaction between system components over time. It illustrates how sequence diagrams help visualize login validation and the patient data input and examination request process in health information system. The comparison with activity diagram highlights that while both serve different modeling purpose, sequence diagram offer more technical and time-based interaction details. Ultimately, using the appropriate diagram enriches system understanding, ensures data accuracy, and support efficient system development and documentation. That's all from me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.